Hey traders, welcome to 𝗲𝗏 weekly Forex Forecast.
We trade waves.
As usual, we will start with dollar index, DXY. We will cover few majors along with US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The time frame that we are using here is 4 hours. A lot of pairs are ready for the next big wave, and during the video, I'll be giving you tips and advices which will help you with your trading. So all of you who are new to 𝗲𝗏 channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, for this one, last week we said guys, we're expecting DXY to move up. We really hope a lot of you get in the buy from here and are still holding. Market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. This is exactly what we want market to do. Do you remember that? And we really hope guys none of you get in the sell in the first week of January. Because we were warning you, even if market will break this low, it will be going up again. Now, all of you are buying DXY, now is the time to take partial profits. Why? After this up wave, market will correct downwards. After this corrective structure downwards, another push up will be coming. So it's entirely up to you if you want to go for this sell or you want to wait this buy. Alright guys, for us, DXY will be correcting downwards for another push up. And by the way guys, I hope all of you have seen DXY shooting up and gold shooting up as well. Once I will cover gold, I'll get back to this point, because this was covered in details in the last 2 weeks. Now before we go to euro-dollar, let me give you this tip. If you get in the trade and the market start to go in your direction and you don't know where to take profits, take partial profits. This is very important guys. Taking partial profits and moving the rest at break even will help you a lot in building your equity. Euro-dollar also for this one, we really hope none of you guys got caught in this up wave. After this up move, market started to fall, and we covered this one last week. After this drop, market corrects, it gave us another drop. Corrective structure, another down wave. So all of you get in the sell, we hope that you made profits riding this down wave. Is this the end of structure and market will be pushing back up? We don't think so. All what we are expecting next for this one is a corrective structure upwards for another drop. Again, it's entirely up to you if you want to go for this buy or you want to wait this sell. Let me give you a hint here. This structure from here all the way up to this level is not an impulsive wave. This is a corrective structure, which means this can correct to the upside for another drop that potentially can break this low and this low as well. For now, focus on this one step by step, and we will update you on a weekly basis and on every Sunday live session. For those of you who don't know about our Sunday sessions, all the details are in the description under this video. Pound dollar for this one, how many of you guys remember this forecast? We said pound dollar needs to fall. Do you remember that? If yes, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Remember, your supportive comments and likes will push us to be here every week and will help YouTube algo to show our forecasts to more traders. Anyway, pound dollar fell, and this drop, it was not small. This is almost 200 pips move. All of you are selling, now is the time to take partial profits or all your profits. Why I'm saying that? Despite pound dollar is under pressure because of political reasons, we can see this structure is ready to make another push up above these levels, and then we'll update you. So, all of you are selling, you can take partial profits or all your profits. Those of you who are not in, you can start to look for your buy setups, but be very careful because pound dollar might have a sudden drop. Why sudden drop? If the Prime Minister will resign, pound dollar will fall. Structurally, this is showing us an up move. Make sense guys? Those of you who are not in, you can start to look for buy setups, but be very careful. Now, how far this up wave can go? It can go all the way up to break this top and this top. What is this structure? The bigger wave? All of this will be covered in details by T on Sunday session. Aussie dollar for this one, also market failed. We've got this drop, corrective structure, another drop. So if you are selling, you move your stops to break even and let market unfold. Do not take partial profits and do not close your trades. This will correct upwards for a potential down wave. This was perfect structure. Dollar yen for this one, if you remember, market was here last week and we said, guys, we are expecting market to go up. We've got this up wave and we've got this drop. Now, for us, this up wave is not enough for the structure, which means this only one leg and this will be another leg to the upside, which might turns out to be a complex structure. In all the cases, all what you have to know is the next wave will be going up. After this up move, we will start to look for sell setups again. For now, breaking this low or not, dollar yen will be going up. This is how we see it. New Zealand dollar, also for this one, we hope all of you trade this pair made money riding this down wave. This structure was completed above this top, and remember, these were equal highs. We covered this one more than 5 to 7 times during our forecasts. So above this top, the structure was completed and we've got this drop. What next? Anytime, New Zealand dollar might start the up wave. But for this one, we're expecting a small corrective structure upwards, one more push down that we'll ignore for another up wave. At the moment, this is all what we can see. If market will be shooting up from here, we will try to enter and manage our trades. If market will correct for another drop, we will ignore the sells and we will look for our buy setups only. Let me repeat that. We will look for our buy setups. So do not jump in, because jumping in without knowing what you are doing, you will end up with big loss. Alright guys? Our bias is based on our wave analysis concept. Trading the next wave is a total different story. And that's why we have our private community and our special courses. I'm not trying to make any promotion here. I am motivating our traders who are pushing hard inside our private community, and all of them are making progress. So for New Zealand dollar, the next wave that we'll focus on is towards the upside. Pound yen for this one, all of you are selling, you keep moving your stops in the direction of your trade. Market failed, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. Another corrective structure is expected for another fall. So first of all, an up wave is expected. If you want to go for the buy, it's up to you. Those who are selling, you must have made profits, guys, riding this down wave. So next for pound yen is an up move. This up move, we are expecting it to be corrective. After this up wave, another fall will be coming. Which wave you want to trade is up to you. For us, we are focusing on our sell setups, and even if this one will be pushing up above previous tops, we will look for sell setups again. From which level, T will explain you this in details on Sunday session. For now, corrective structure upwards for another drop. And guys, remember this. Forex trading is not easy. It will become easy after you learn how to trade correctly. Most traders fail due to lack of knowledge. As example, risk management is very important. So if you don't know how to manage your risks wisely, you will end up losing big. If you will jump in by following us blindly or by following anyone else, you will end up losing. If you don't know that using stop loss is mandatory, you will end up losing big. So that's why, guys, knowledge is power. Learn how to trade correctly before you risk your hard-earned money. Your first step towards that is our Sunday sessions. Yes, oil for this one, market went up and we broke this top. We took a loss here and we got back in the sell from the top. Market dropped, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. This it might be another corrective structure for another fall. So USOIL will be giving us a corrective structure similar to this one for a potential up wave again. This wave, instead of being a corrective structure, it ended up to be an impulsive wave. We were not expecting this. Alright? This where the structure has changed for a corrective structure, another push up is very possible. But listen to me. At the moment, we are only looking for sells. Do not think that we don't take losses. Losses are part of this business, but all you have to do is to manage them wisely. Make sense? Now let's do one thing. Those of you who jumped in here, or those who kept adding to losing positions, or who traded this up wave without stop loss, or who over-risked, let us know in the comment section. And if so, do not forget guys our 4 golden rules. Do not jump in, do not overtrade or over-risk, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. You must apply those rules in trading. Gold for this one, again, we said DXY will be going up and gold will be going up as well. Do you remember that? From here, market went up. We said we are expecting gold to shoot up. It went up. We said corrective structure, another push up. This is exactly what market did. And I hope a lot of you who trade gold made money riding this up wave. If you get in this trade, let us know in the comment section. I'm personally reading every single comment. And we will be happy guys to see you making profits out of our forecasts. Remember, we are making money from trading. And if we can help you to do that, and you get results, this will be amazing. Anyway, for gold, we are expecting a corrective structure downwards, another push up will be coming. Now, those of you get in the buy, do not be greedy. Even if gold will correct for another push up, if I get in this buy, and as example, my target was here, I will take off the trade, and that's it. If you want to move your stops in the direction of your trade, and target the next up wave, you can do that. It's up to you. This is only a bonus for those who are already in. After this up move guys, a major shift and a special structure will start to unfold. T will explain you this in details this Sunday. For now, we are biased for one push up for gold. Those of you who are still watching, this is a special pair for you, and time to time we are going to do that. So all you have to do is to keep watching till the end, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. What about New Zealand CAD? This one guys is ready to make a shoot up, and this move will be for the next few months, which means this is a long-term trade. You can treat it as medium or long-term trade. All what we want from you is to not miss this up wave. Very soon, New Zealand CAD is going to shoot up. And this up move guys, it's going to be big. All structures in all time frames are completed. Even if this will drop under this low, this up wave will be coming. Any drop you ignore, and any buy setup, you go for it. Dollar CAD for this one, also we really hope all of you trade this pair, get in this buy. Market started to move up even under this low. What next? We are expecting market to push up, corrective structure, another push up. Above this high, you move your stops to break even and you manage your trades. This up wave, it can go all the way up guys to these levels. We can see all CAD pairs will be moving fast. And it's up to you to choose which pair you wanna go for. Personally, I'll be going for New Zealand CAD. Another tip for those who are still watching. Over-risking is not only related to lot size. If you are trading dollar CAD, New Zealand CAD, CAD yen, pound CAD in the same direction, you are over-risking the CAD. Alright guys? So over-risking is also related to which pairs you are trading. Silver for this one, also we said this will be moving up, corrective structure, and this was the shoot up last week. What next? Corrective structure, another shoot up. Sooner or later, this is going to drop. So all of you get in the buy, you move your stops, or you take partial profits, is up to you. For us, we are waiting this structure to be completed, and we will go for the next sell setup once the sell setups are ready. At the moment, all of you get in the buy, you must have made decent profits with this up move. Bitcoin for this one, market dropped under this low, which means here we have a change of structure. If market will correct, another drop will be coming, and the next stop will be around 34, 32 levels. After this drop, the structure has changed. Are we going to 20k levels? Let's wait and see. With that note, guys, I wish you a great trading week. You trade with care, do not over risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.